Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Canva. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm in canva.com, and the first thing that I want to do is create a new design. Now, I'm going to click onto customize size up here, and then I'm going to choose the third option, which says presentation, so I can start working with my design. Now I've already got my green screen video uploaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and click onto uploads in my left hand side of the screen, and then I'm gonna click onto videos so I can bring up my video into the design to start working with it. As you can see, here's my video. Now what you're gonna need to do from here is to click onto edit video up here, and you will see this tool under the FX section that says background remover. Note that this option is only available in Canva Pro, so if you want to use it, make sure to upgrade to Canva Pro first. All you have to do now is to give it a click, and then it will immediately start removing the green screen from your video. So wait for a few seconds to minutes. It depends on the length of the video, and once it's ready, you can play the video and check. It might not be the best option if you want to remove a green screen from a video, but still somehow it works and the green screen has been removed successfully from your video. So that's it. That's how to remove green screen in Canva. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.